Are you a marketing professional, civil drafter, contract administrator, or graphic designer? Stick around because this video is for you. My name is Valentina Gaitan. I'm part of the Gamba migration team, and in this video I'm going to explain how the recognition of occupations works with the Vetassess authority. Remember, this information is accurate as of the time of recording, which is May 2025, and does not constitute legal advice. This is purely informational material to help you better understand this process. Vetassess classifies occupations into 5 groups: A, B, C, D, and E to validate professions in Group A, such as economists, food engineers, or professionals in occupational health and safety. You need to have, firstly, a highly relevant undergraduate degree. Secondly, more than 1 year of experience within the last 5 years. If your undergraduate degree isn't highly relevant, you won't be able to validate. Highly relevant means you studied this discipline directly. For example, to validate as an economist, your degree must be in economics. Also, many Latin American degrees must have a minimum duration of 5 years to be considered suitable. Group B includes professionals such as marketing specialists, advertisers, public relations officers, and audiovisual producers. Here, you're required to have, firstly, a highly relevant undergraduate degree and 1 year of recent experience. But if your degree isn't relevant, they might let it slide if you can show 2 to 3 years of experience in the last 5 years. Group C includes technical trades like architectural drafter or restaurant manager. You'll need the equivalent of an Australian diploma, which is about a year, plus more than a year of recent experience. If your diploma isn't highly relevant, they'll ask for 2 years of experience. Group D includes other technical trades like insurance agents or dog trainers. Here, you'll need the equivalent of a certificate for. You can qualify with a highly relevant certificate for plus 1 year of experience. But if that certificate isn't relevant, they'll require at least 2 years of experience. And finally, Group E is for technical occupations in the medical field, like pharmaceutical technicians or health technicians. You'll need a highly relevant diploma and more than a year of experience after your studies. If the diploma isn't relevant, you won't be able to get it recognized. Now, what documents will Vetassess ask you for? First, a valid passport. Second, an up-to-date CV. Third, a recent photo. Fourth, work references that include job title, salary, weekly hours, company letterhead, signature, and contact details of the person signing. Fifth, proof of salary or payment. You can choose between pay slips, bank statements, pension fund contributions, or your tax return. The assessment process can take between 10 to 12 weeks, and if you had a migration consultation with us in the last 14 days, you can access a special price. If you want to know the official prices for Vetassess, you can check them at vetassess.com.au. And if you'd like us to help you with the validation of your qualification with Vetassess, get in touch with us at w.gamba.com.au. And on our YouTube channel, you can find more educational videos that can help you with your migration process.